Hello, Daz Studio enthusiasts. This is Not From This World. I want to welcome you back to my tutorial series. Now, I want to correct something from the video that I did talking about LIE or LIE tattoo textures that we can make. And it has to do with saving your tattoos. Now, this is a Tuesday challenge video, but today it's going to be kind of a correction video. And what I had you do is I had you make a tattoo using LIE, or the layered image editor, and then we saved it into Daz Studio. And if you remember, you can find it by going to Daz Studio formats and dropping that down to my library. And then from my library, it's going to be a preset, and then it's going to be a material. And there's our layered images. If we select them, you'll see we made different tattoos. And I actually ended up making 6 tattoos. And I showed you that after we have them in this folder, we can right click and go to categorize. And then from categorize, we have to select people and then Genesis 8. And then from Genesis 8, you go to anatomy, and then I chose skin. So you can put these tattoos anywhere you want. And then we save it to a different part of our content library. And so for me, it's here in the categories, and I have a folder for people and Genesis 8 females, and then anatomy. And then if you notice, the skin is right here. And if I choose the skin, see, there are my tattoos. Now, the mistake was made because I clicked all those other folders. So if we backtrack and go to anatomy, look, they're in anatomy. And if I drop down to Genesis 8 female, they're in Genesis 8 female, and they're in people as well. So what we have to do is we have to click on these, go to categorize, and then just make sure that we get rid of our check marks for the folders that precede where we actually want to put it. So in order to make this easier, we're going to go back up to this layered image folder, and I'm just going to right click, go to categorize, and then see what I can do is I can just select these folders and then deselect the arrow except for skin. And then once I do that, it's going to get rid of the tattoo in those other folders. So I'm just going to do this really quick with our tattoos, and then I'll show you very quickly that they are only in our skin folder, because that's really the only place I want them. I didn't even notice that I had made this mistake until I opened up my folders, and I was like, why are there so many folders with tattoos? So we just have to get rid of those arrows, and see, it'll only be saved in skin. So I just wanted to show you this because I hate making goofs and mistakes in my videos, and I try and correct them when I can. So I thought it was worthy for our Tuesday video to do this correction. So if you want to move things, select these folders, but only check the one you want to put it in, and then you'll be good. All right, so this is the last one. And just to show you that it's fixed, we'll go back down to categories and then see if I select people, they're not there anymore. And if I select Genesis 8, they're not there anymore. Now it's correct. They're anatomy. And now if I go to skin, there they are. So I got this fixed. All right, so I hope that this helped you out. Pretty simple video for Tuesday, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and give me some comments. I'd really be interested to see what you want to learn next for my tutorials. I have a few ideas coming up for tutorial videos, but it would be great to hear your suggestions. I thrive off of those. It gives me new ideas. And so please comment. Let me know what you want to see. And until next time, happy rendering!